Hey Murray.
Hey.
What you doing?
Book, ocean, hammock, van, Nick. Pretty epic spot, I must say. So gorgeous with those cliffs, and just be able to camp right at the beach is so cool. We've just had a nice little dinner. Just cooked up some soup and just a real simple thing on our little stove. The moment I've been waiting for. Dun 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 dun! It's still wrapped. But because I asked my mom to send it for Christmas. They don't have these here in New Zealand. Well, yeah, they have similar type thing, but the taste is completely different. Not quite the same, and Nick knows. He's very tired of hearing me talk about how New Zealand ones aren't like American ones. Sorry. You know, sometimes you just want a little taste of home. Dun 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 dun! Yeah, marshmallows! Woo! Okay, and then here's my trade secret. Well, my parents, this is how we used to do it when I was a kid, and I think it's the best way. You use these cookies that my mom also sent from the US. They're so good. This is not a product placement. Nothing sponsored here. Just what I really like. It's just so good because it's the chocolate and the cookie together as one, and they're really delicious. Yeah. I just do like one cookie with marshmallow on top. Boom. How excited are you to try it, Nick?
There's a lot of talk, a lot of anticipation about this meal, so I'm pretty excited.
I guess I should mention these cookies aren't American, they're French. But I've never seen them in New Zealand, so yeah. If you're wondering, like, why are you making s'mores when it's so late out? Well, it's almost 9 p.m. It just stays late until I'm here, so it's a proper time.
S'mores o'clock.
S'mores o'clock. Last time I had s'mores, I was in Yosemite. You can watch that video here. Oh, they've got a little melted.
Oh, look at that. Golden brown. Yeah.
Mmm.
The s'mores dance. Is that the s'mores dance?
Mm. Thanks, Mom, for the s'more stuff. So good. Now I'm just gonna relax on the hammock and look at this view. Morning! Another beautiful day in paradise! Yay! Good sleep in the van. We had a nice little sleep in this morning. Nothing to do but hang out. To bed in the van. Morning too at Parakanui Beach, and now we've got some entertainment by a little sea visitor. All the people watching. Right, we've left Parakanui Beach, and now we're going to the Parakanui Falls. So a little bushwalk. Ooh, it feels so nice to be in the trees. I love these fern trees. Where's Nick? Ah! We've heard about this cool little like bus with all these weird trinkets and like inventions and stuff, so we're gonna stop off.
Fun exit junk.
How'd you like that?
That was so cool. Yeah, it's so interesting. Eh? What a clever guy that is.
Yeah.
So much random stuff. It's really cool.
Road trip continues. We had a nice swim at what is it? Porpoise
Bay.
We had a nice swim at Porpoise Bay, really refreshing. We saw some dolphins, little Hector dolphins, but from a distance. And now our little Catlins road trip adventure continues. We are going to Slope Point, which is the southernmost point of New Zealand, which is pretty cool. I guess except for Stewart Island.
Yeah,
Oh, the southernmost point of the South Island.
Yeah.
Last New Year's Eve break, Christmas break, we went to the northernmost point of New Zealand. So that's pretty cool. If you haven't seen those videos, check them out. That was our first van road trip adventure.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, we rented a camper van and it was really fun, and after that I was like, this was great, let's make our own. And then it took 1 year and we got it.
Yeah, look at
Look at that.
that.
So pretty cool. I'm trying to get the Nick facts for you. Oh, there'll be some soon maybe.
What?
Yeah, and that place we're gonna stay tonight.
Okay.
We're gonna stay somewhere that Nick stayed before. That's a hint. Well, you'll never guess.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
you guys are sticking around for the good stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so nice out. It's not windy at all. Whee! This is the closest to Antarctica I've ever been. What about you?
Well, next to the island.
Oh yeah, Nick's been to Stewart Island. So he's been closer. So we're in a town called Invercargil, and I've never been here before, but I've heard a lot about it. We've just made it to our accommodation, to the place that I said Nick's been before. Now, do you want to tell us? This will be a good Nick fact.
For a while it was student accommodation, and so I stayed here first year out of high school when I was studying photography.
It was student housing for a little bit, but before that, but what did she say? The Queen stayed here once?
Yes, the Queen and the Duke stayed here.
The Queen and the Duke also stayed here once in 1954. That's pretty cool. And she upgraded us to the New York room. So we're like, went from van life to like plush life. Whoa!
Yeah.
Cool, Invercargil.
We've got a balcony, we can do the Queen wave.
We can do the
Invercargil.
Whoa, nice. Wow, Invercargil. How does it feel to be back?
Weird.
We've made it to Bluff.
Yeah.
And we just got some fish and chips, and we're sitting on the hill with a really good view of Stewart Island, and it's gorgeous out. Hope you guys enjoyed that little New Year's adventure. Good little road trip. If you're coming to New Zealand, I recommend going to the Catlins. It was really cool. I almost even don't want to tell you that because I thought one of the cooler things about it was that there weren't that many people. But now you guys know. I hope you all have a wonderful 2018 and full of adventures. There will hopefully be more adventures coming up on this channel, hopefully soon. There's gonna be a trip out of the country soon to a country I've been before, a country I know very well. Any guesses? Alright, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye. One more Nick fact. Nick fact, Nick fact, Nick fact. Here's a Nick fact. He painted that painting. Cool, huh? Alright.